10 o'clock high. I make promo videos and action videos for my running club's cross-country races. And there's a new race coming up, so I wrote this song, Harriers of the New Dawn. It's very Pink Floydish. And the bass sounds good on it, but what I want to add in there, because this thing is getting pretty epic in scope, I want to add a treble, which is a strong point for a jazz bass. I'm going to turn up the treble on this and do a chorused bass line to augment the hard bottom that I already got. So that's going to be a nice accent for this, and I might bring it in and out of the song. But this is something fun to try, and I'm using the TC Electronic Toneprint app also. And this thing has really come through for me in so many recording situations. It's just a great fun feature to have for a bass amp in a live setting or in the studio. It's great in the studio going direct. So let's get this thing going. After you download the app to your phone, you hit the Toneprint bass amp, and then there's this wonderful menu, Flanger, Viscous Vibe, which is on my pedal board, by the way, and it's fantastic. Shaker Vibrato, Octave, Helix Phaser, Corona Chorus, also on the Jim Potts pedal board, and they have some custom combinations. So this app, you transmit it into the pickup of your bass, and then it programs the amplifier. It is so fucking smooth. You got to try one of these if you're looking for an affordable, versatile. Okay, I now have my amp on, and I've got it on mute, but it's going to let me do the tone print. So I'm hitting the next button where it says connect your bass to your amp. Connect your bass to your amp. If your amp has more than one tone print slot, please select your slot. And then you hit next. And then turn up the volume on your guitar or bass and on your mobile device. And hold the speaker of your mobile device close to the pickup. So I'm beaming it in. You hear that? Okay, so it flashed, giving a confirmation that it received the signal. That's a pretty good drive. Let's go.